Holy.
Yep. Hey Rob, welcome to Rob Peter's Estate. Come on in.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Wow. Wow.
The high ceilings are amazing, aren't they? So this has got to be one of my favorite places in Vail. It's an absolute beast of a house. This is the main sitting space, perfect for hosting. You've got a beautiful bar. You've got an amazing little terrace under the aspen trees.
Oh, we've got a big little friend right above us. That is a giant moose head.
The decor in this house is the perfect mix between modern and mountain luxury.
Yeah. And how many people can this sleep?
So it sleeps 18 people.
Ooh,
Yeah,
okay.
It's 8 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. The bedrooms are scattered throughout the house. They're amazing. They have all sorts of different features. Upstairs, the primary bedroom, absolutely fantastic. The bedroom itself is beautiful. And then you get into the bathroom and wow, it's absolutely enormous. The big stone bath, which looks out to the north side of the mountains. And then you got an amazing, huge double shower in there that looks out to the ski slopes.
You would lose me in the tub. Nothing is better than a big, huge tub. But if you got this view, I mean, these mountains are amazing. Any other cool, fun features that this house has that you don't really see in a lot of other houses?
100%. One of my favorite features for this place, we're up high in altitude at the moment. There's lower oxygen levels, so 3 of the bedrooms in this house actually have oxygen stations which breathe over you through the night. When you came in and you drove in the winter, obviously the whole mountain is covered in snow, except for this kind of driveway. The whole driveway is heated, the garage is heated. You've got really funky toilets in this house. As you walk into the bathroom, the seat will automatically lift up for you. It's got all sorts of like flush functions that you can play around with if you want to.
And is that heated too?
That is heated as well.
Ooh, okay, a little heated driveway, heated bum.
Oh yeah. You're not
Time
getting
for
cold in
fun.
this
You
house.
are not getting cold in this house. Where do you think the ultimate entertaining area is in this house?
It's downstairs.
Downstairs?
Quiet.
And what floor are we technically on right now? Are we on the...
Let's call this the ground floor.
Okay, we're on the ground
We're
floor,
on the
so we
ground
gotta
floor.
keep going down.
Keep going down.
I mean, I know we're trying to get downstairs, but this kitchen is...
It's
this
just
is impressive.
amazing. Often guests in these homes just get their private chefs in. Perfect space for them to make all the meals. We've got plenty of storage in the back, double fridges, 2 washing machines, ice makers, you name it.
It's big, but it's also comfy. Another dining area in case you want to eat for 6 of your friends. Is it this way?
Nope, down the stairs. Let's go to the left.
Wow.
Yeah, amazing steam room. Bathroom on this side as well.
This is probably the largest steam room I've been in a house.
Amazing place to unwind after skiing.
If I had friends, this is where they would all be.
100%.
This is like a country club.
Yeah, amazing.
This is incredible.
And then you have the entertainment room for the evening time.
This is a cool chair. It's
Make
like a little
yourself at home.
spinning. I've never seen like a spinning wood chair. This is fun. This place is fun.
It's amazing. Pool, hot tub, lap pool outside as well. It's all heated all year round as well.
I mean, think about this. Shuffleboard, video games, and then what's in this room?
You gotta see this room. This is like the version of the cinema room. If you wanna catch the big game, if you wanna watch some movies, don't jump on the sofa. I can see you're gonna do it. Oh yeah, no, there he is.
Oh, this is like the ultimate dream. Seriously, like this is what I've always wanted as a kid.
You can get the whole family here.
So if you can actually force yourself to leave the house, wintertime, what? Skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiling, summertime.
Summertime activities here are amazing. This house in particular, you have the mountain bike slopes right out the back. You have horse riding, ATVing, fly fishing.
I've done ATVing, horseback riding, mountain biking. Never fly fish, so I have to try that at some point.
We can go today.
Do not tease me with a good time, man.
It's all I really want to do in life. If I didn't have to work, I would just be fishing and fishing and fishing.
We can go today.
Yeah, you want to go today?
I want to go right now.
We'll go this
I'm going
afternoon,
right
yeah?
now.
Go ahead.
You became my best friend.